I flew all the way from South Africa to Santa Clara here in the USA for the AWE XR convention. This convention is mostly centered around augmented and virtual reality. So there'll be a lot of new technologies, new headsets. So join me on this journey and let's see what we'll find. Let's go! Just got my coffee, let's check out the technologies. So right now everyone is still setting up. I won't be able to interact with any demos today, sadly. But let's see if there's anyone we can talk to. Maybe get a head start. Cool, so what do you have there?
Okay, so these are ETVR controllers by a company called TG0, and they are gesture-based controllers, so you can map and customize specific actions using gestures. For example, with ET, you can use point, pinch, grab, and you can map it to actions within the actual game. So these are compatible with the Steam VR system, so it'll work with any Steam VR headset.
Hi, so what is your name?
Hi, my name is Jan Nauren. I am marketing director for Vidhance, a company that does video stabilization for smartphones and for AR and VR devices.
What's the next step for you guys?
The next step is to expand our products into new verticals, such as AR glasses, smart glasses, and so on.
What is your name and what do you guys do?
I'm Dmitry, founder of in3D.io. So we turn people into photorealistic avatars. You don't need any special for that, only your phone. Basically, all it takes is, turn the head to the sides and the full body turns 360 degrees like this. That's it. And your avatar is ready in 3 minutes or so. Can be imported in your favorite game engine. We have several SDKs for you to integrate it into your product.
Cool. Can I try it out?
Sure.
How you doing? My name is Quentin Turner, CTO of Intrinsic Reality, and we make unforgettable experiences from the ground up, and we like to say technically not the ground up. So I have a demo here. So all you gotta do is, it's so fast, boom, you're here, now you're browsing.
Okay.
Boom. Boom, I wanna see this burger. And you're here. It's no gimmicky startup, it's no scan the ground, do this. It's just right in front of your face right away. So I'm trying to make it aesthetically pleasing and practical and fast.
Okay.
I'm Phil. I'm a senior product manager on the core XR team here at Unity, and our team covers XR creator workflows. That includes in the editor, desktop editor, workflows for mobile and headsets, as well as our device partnerships. So we also ensure that Unity can run and deploy to all the major headsets.
So from your opinion, what do you think is like the next step? Not in terms of just like what you guys are working on, but in the AR space.
I think there are going to be a lot of things, I would say stay tuned. There are going to be a lot of interesting things that happen over the next year or two.
So what do you think is the problem with like fast currently?
Well, you're still wearing a blindfold on your face, so
yeah,
that's a challenge. I think we've just scratched the surface on what faster can be.
You mentioned hand tracking, right? Do you think like Meta has like solved that, or do you think there's still a lot of work to do in that space?
Yeah, I mean, I can't in a professional capacity. But yeah, hand tracking, I think it's still relatively early days. I think the main benefit of hand tracking is you don't have to carry controllers around.
Yeah.
I think there are some benefits to controllers as well.
I have seen people downstairs who are specializing in controllers.
Yeah.
And I did mention to them that you would have to move to the computer vision solutions rather than having controllers, but there's benefits.
No, I mean, I think it depends on what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
So it's...
what problem is trying to solve? Like you can only get haptics if you have...
you know, we've got phones and we've got tablets, but people still enjoy their keyboard for typing on their desktop. That's not going to change. There are certain things, if you really want fine control and you're doing like professional grade workflows and really kind of tight level things, you want that control.
You want that accuracy and the feeling as well.
Yeah.
My name is Louis Bollinger and I'm a co-founder and chief marketing officer here at HoloLight.
And what does HoloLight do?
So in the end what we want to provide is the industrial metaverse. And we do this by providing the most powerful immersive streaming platform for AR and VR applications.
So what do you mean by industrial metaverse?
Yeah, you know, we asked ourselves, what does the metaverse mean for an enterprise? Most people understand a social 3D environment where people meet and come together, but what does this really mean for an enterprise? And we basically saw that the biggest challenge for enterprises at the moment is to scale their AR VR initiatives. How do you bring this technology from just 1 to 5 users up to 1,000 users, and I think the metaverse is a platform that gives the infrastructure, or is based on an infrastructure that allows scalability for enterprises.
And from your perspective, what do you think is the biggest challenges facing not just the metaverse, AR, VR, but from the things that you have encountered, what problems are you guys trying to solve in your space?
Yeah, enterprises want to work with the content they already have. In engineering, it's 3D CAD. In the construction area, it's BIM models. Healthcare, it's CT scans, and these data sets, they are very heavy in size, and in order to visualize something like that on an AR VR glasses, in the past you had to always reduce the data, optimize it and prepare it, and that took time and you lost quality. And we want to avoid that by providing a streaming technology that where we basically outsource the rendering process from the device to the cloud or to more powerful servers, and we stream everything. And this streaming infrastructure is also the core of our streaming platform XR Now. And so we basically overcome the performance limitations of mobile devices. This is one of the major issues that we are tackling.